How to make extra income while working a full-time job. The first thing that I would ask you is, what type of job are you doing? And the best thing that I would recommend that you do is start making money using your current job. For example, let's say you are a barber or a hairdresser or even a forklift driver. What type of qualifications did you have to get your current job and to be in the position that you are currently in? There are a lot of persons that I'm certain are searching right now online on ways how they could be in your position, meaning job-wise. So you can give them that information online and start making money. Let's say you're a forklift driver. There are a lot of persons that are asking how long does it take to become a forklift driver. So you could start either a blog or you could start a YouTube channel. And you don't have to show your face or anything like that, but you could document your day-to-day routine as a forklift driver and how you get started. And you can do this in almost any job. And as you can see right here, there are numerous keywords that persons are currently searching for. How hard is it to get forklift certified? How long does it take to get forklift certified online? If you have experience with being a forklift driver, you can answer these questions. And the more help you provide for persons online, the more money you'll be able to make. So while the aim is making more money, just provide help. And once you provide help to more persons, you'll be able to start making even more extra income until you probably end up leaving your 9-to-5 job. And the second option that I would recommend is blogging. And I know you probably say, but you don't like writing and all of that. Well, this website, for example, howtoguru.com, this person or the persons that own this website do a little bit of writing. And they are able to make a lot of money per month, as if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, which is a website that shows the estimated traffic that a website gets. If I were to put in How to Guru and check how much views they are getting per month, as you can see right here, they are getting an estimate of over 10 million visitors per month. And they are not producing any of the article, because if I were to tap on one of their article right here, this is how they are getting paid by ad placement. All they do is simply provide the information which they gather from YouTube, from watching how-to videos. And the beauty about a website like this is not only are they making money, but they also help the YouTube creators that they post their videos here to get more views and in turn make more money. So it's a win-win for everyone. And they don't have to do a lot of writing. They don't have to hire writers and all of that, as all they do is simply paste the transcript from the YouTube videos that they're answering questions for. So you could do this, but this is a numbers game. As if you were to check how many videos they have posted over 6,000 videos. But again, the more work you put in, the more money you will be able to make. So the more persons you help, the more money you'll be able to make. The third option that I would recommend you give a try is Amazon. And with Amazon, I would recommend that you sign up with their Amazon affiliate program, as by doing this, you'll be able to start making some extra money on the side. So you'll be able to do, for example, you'll compile some videos. You can do this like every other night, just spend an hour compiling some how-to videos by simply gathering the videos right here. So you're going to download a free video downloader plugin, for example, this one right here. And you're going to go onto Amazon, for example, best projectors. And you select, for example, 5 projectors, and you simply copy the videos that they have right here. Use TubeBuddy to get some proper keywords, and you simply compile these videos and you upload the video. Then you'll be putting your Amazon affiliate link in the description. Once someone watches your video, likes one of the products, click on your Amazon link, you'll be able to get a commission. And again, the beauty about this is you can leave up, for example, 10 or 20 videos and just leave it right there. Once you have put in the work, it will be completely passive after that, as your video will be on YouTube as long as, and you'll be continually making money every month from Amazon. Another way you can start making money with a full-time job is again YouTube, by simply posting some simple videos not showing your face, and you don't even have to use your voice. Otherwise, from affiliate marketing, you could do videos like these on your favorite celebrities, or you can do videos on your favorite sports team. All you'll have to do is simply get photos from off of google.com, as you can see right here, and you can read the latest news articles on your favorite celebrity. You could make this an evening thing, so in the evenings when you come from work, you could probably spend an hour doing this, and that's it. You will do it, and then over time your page will get monetized, or you could start doing affiliate marketing with it by putting different affiliate links and start making money. And again, after a while it will become completely passive, and that's it. Another way you can start making some extra money is by doing surveys. With this you'll be able to earn PayPal money. As you can see here, Super Pay Me currently is one of the best survey sites to go on. So you can sign up and start doing surveys. The only thing with this, if I'm being completely honest, is you won't be able to make a lot of money, and it does take time, and I don't believe that the time to money reward really makes sense if you have a full-time job. I would much rather recommend one of the options that I have shown you before over this one. And the last but definitely not least option is by becoming a freelancer. It's completely free to sign up with Fiverr and other freelancing websites, and there are numerous tasks that you can do depending on your skill level, or depending on the amount of time you're willing to put in to learn a new skill. As you can see right here, these persons are charging anywhere from $5 to $50 for simply converting files. As you can see right here, I will do book formatting for Kindle, and this person is charging $50 to simply do that. And again, with a lot of these projects that you see on Fiverr, you'll be able to find softwares or free programs online that you could do it. The reason why persons tend to go onto Fiverr to put up tasks that they could do themselves is they have limited time. So you can simply fit in that period where you can do the task, and you could even outsource it to other persons at a cheaper cost and keep a percentage. So you could do that also. There are numerous ways how you can make money freelancing. I hope one of these strategies intrigued you and you're going to give it a try on how to start making money, extra money, while working a full-time job. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.